All right, boys and girls, we've already learned to divide a line into equal parts that were less than a whole. So we're going to focus on greater than one whole this time, and we're going to label it. We're going to see how do we label them when they're greater than one whole. So the first thing I want to do is I want to divide into 6 parts, and I want to label each fraction. So let's go ahead and we're going to do that. We're going to start right here, and I have 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, and this is 6 right here. Because remember, we go back and we say this 6, 6 is one whole. We say that 5, 6, 4, 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, and 1, 6. All right, now the interesting thing is when we get from this part right here, from 1 to 2, now we're still dividing it into sixes, but now instead of being just 1 6, we're going to have 1 and 1 6, 1 and 2 6, 1 and 3 6. So let's go ahead and divide that. So this one right here, and I'm going to pick a different color so you can see the difference. So this one right here would be 1/6, right? But it would be 1 and 1/6. Now we can also call this 7 6. Okay, do you see why? Because we've just completed 6 6 right here. So this becomes 7 6, which is really 1 and 1 6. So this is the improper fraction right here. Okay, let's keep labeling. This one right here is 1 and 2 6. This is 1, I'm running out of space, 1 and 3 6. This is 1 and 4 6. 1 and 5 6. All right, and right underneath this 2, this becomes, really, it is 1 and 6 6, but I know that 6 6 becomes a whole, so that's why it's 2. So now let me go back here, and this would become 8 6, 9 6. This becomes 10 6, 11 6, and 12 sixth. Okay, and I would continue doing this, except now when we get ready to do this, it's no longer 1 and something, it's 2 and 1 6, 2 and 2 6, 2 and 3 6, 2 and 4 6, 2 and 5 6. All right, and then we have 2 and 6 6, which would become my third, which would become my 3 wholes right here. So let's go ahead and fill that in. We have, this is 1 6, and it's 2 and 1 6. Then we have 2 6, but it's really 2 and, 2 and 2 6. All right, this one is 3 6, but it's really 2 and 3 6. This would be 4 6, but it's really 2 and 4 6. This would be 5 6, but it's 2 and 5 6. And this would be 2 and 6 6, which would make that extra third right there. All right, and we can continue if we wanted to with our improper fraction, which would be 13 6, 14 6, 15 6, 16 6, 17 6, and 18, 18 6 would actually make 3 wholes. So you can see that we divided the line into 6 parts and we labeled each part of the fraction. From here to here was under a whole. Now we started a whole, and then we started that mixed number and a proper fraction. a whole, and a proper fraction, which makes up our mixed number.